The next speaker is Dr. Vijayan from New Ecotex, and he'll speak on EcoPots garbage farms.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. People have been telling waste, 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 but here I'll tell you it is a waste, wealth, food, and oxygen. This is a new technology. India has not invented many technologies. This is one of the few technologies that people will talk about in the long days to come. We are there to eliminate garbages from all cities in an easy way, in a low-cost manner. Our technology has got a gold medal from the Department of Science and Technology. So eliminating organic waste is our aim. Cities are increasing in population. About 40% of the people are going to be living in cities, and the human population is going to go from 7 to 10 billions by 2050. We need to find food and also oxygen for these extra billions. The garbage waste is an environmental disaster, and it's also a financial disaster for most of the municipalities. Why do we create this waste? The waste is mostly organic. It putrefies, decomposes, produces smell, and produces diseases. So we throw it into the streets. It is collected, and you see these mountains. So there is open trucks and other things. You need specialized heavy materials. These all consume a lot of diesel, give you a lot of carbon dioxide. And in the landfill, everybody has accepted there is no good treatment. They say about 5% is used for treatment, other things only for transport. So the land is getting degraded locally. There is a soil, air, water pollution. Unfortunately, this is an inappropriate solution for the 21st century. We can eliminate it in a simple way. People say, oh, you have to burn your waste, but waste is not energy dense. It will not give you too much of calories. Already you're spending too much of calories for transporting everything. And it is going to be a financial loss for the government in future. So people are saying about composting. Composting takes 3 months. My previous speakers certified it is 3 months. So there is no new good technology for composting. And this mechanical composters also no good. So what is our technology? So our technology is a dump technology. Just dump it and then forget about it. It has got a partition. There are a lot of holes. Through these holes, roots will go, take up the waste, and grow well. So this divides the pot into 2 chambers. You put the waste in one chamber and cover it up with 1 to 2 inches of soil. That's all you need to do. It takes about 1 minute. By the time you carry your waste to your street floor, you can put it and raise a kitchen garden or a balcony garden or a rooftop. In the other one, you put the soil, you can put a seed or a plant. Water only this part. You don't need to water the waste part. And then you can have a roof garden. A 40 square foot is more than enough for each family. This is available in all the flats, all the homes. 40 square feet is nothing at all. 2 small balconies will be enough for you. 20 pots if you have, by 20th day, it decomposes. On the 21st day, you will be putting the second layering in the first pot. So you can grow flowers, you can grow vegetables. You can see the rose, you can see the tulsi plant and tomatoes and the radish also at the bottom. So we have given this to Swaminathan Foundation in Chennai. They have also said it's good. It has been tested in the University of Texas. There the growth is good. There is no smell at all. These are the plants from photos from the USA. And what are the uses of this? This is a technology that will give you oxygen. All other technologies take a lot of oxygen, convert it into carbon dioxide, and spoil the environment. Whereas here, each plant can give you 1 to 2 liters of oxygen. If you have 20 plants, it will give you a lot of freshness. It will reduce your diseases. And then this is the only technology that can trap carbon dioxide. Seed is few milligrams, but a plant is nearly a kilo. So if all the plants or all the homes use this, we can do millions and tons of carbon dioxide elimination. So it gives you organic vegetables. All the vegetables you buy in a market are pesticide loaded. They give you all diseases, including cancer, diabetes, everything. So after 30 days, you can get 5 to 10 rupees of vegetables from this system. And plants have electrostatic force, which deposit all the dust, so it can clean up your air also. And if you have a roof garden, your summer AC cost will go down. So what is the implementation cost? For a 20 pot, we are giving you for 3,500 rupees. That is very cheap. And after 1 month, if you can get 5 to 10 rupees, your return on investment is less than 2 years. And then if you include the happiness, oxygen, disease cost, it is less than 6 months. So the life of the pots is more than 5 years. And people are telling, we have no technology. All the ministry comes in. There is a technology. Bombay, they say they are spending 2,000 crores for a population of 1 crore. That is something about 2.5 million families. So they'll come to about 2,000 rupees. If they spend this 2,000 rupees for 2 years, they don't need to waste their money on recurring cost of manpower, and we can eliminate totally. In Chennai, we are spending about 4,000 millions. The total number of families is 2,000. So per family cost is 2,000. The government steps in, pays for 2 years, partly or finally, then after third year, they don't need to waste at all. And if you use it after 2 months or 2 years, you will see the diseases are coming down because air pollution is less. You get your nutrition also, and then that cost also will goes down for your this thing. Why use this? First, we don't throw it out. It's a waste that's going to give you food and money, and then there's no need for collection if done on a mass way, and then it can create oxygen. It can remove carbon dioxide, and it can improve the food security of the country. Everybody wants food. It's going to be a problem for everybody. And it saves you on air pollution. It can increase longevity on a global scale. It can reduce global warming. These spots are good in subtropics and subtropics. These are the countries, most of the countries are in tropics and subtropics, and most of the population is in subtropics and subtropics. Air pollution maximal in tropics and subtropics. You can see that air pollution mostly in China and other things. That is because of industrialization. So plants remove the dust, they add oxygen, they remove carbon dioxide. So your deaths can decrease. There is what is called a malnutrition map, which is again tropics. From waste, you are going to get some amount of nutrition. And healthy, what is called chemical-free nutrition. That can increase your status of health and decrease your mortality. People are talking of global warming. Again, if it is done on a mass scale, definitely we can reduce or delay things. So the message is, there is a small 1 month of learning to nurture how to grow the plants up to the age of 6 inches height. After that, they'll grow by themselves. And then financing this garden, 2,000 to 3,500 is not a big thing. People say they got a lot of money, and unfortunately, all the commissioners are missing now. Right. And very easy to monitor and execute. Execute, give the parts to every house, and then you go to Google Earth, see the rooftop. The rooftop is green, everybody is doing it properly. If it is brown, you can always tell them, oh, you're, and relearn them. So the message is, waste is not waste, it will give you wealth because it gives you money every month and gives you food and oxygen now. Oxygenation is very, very important. By 2016 and 2017, oxygen levels are going to go down, and then the first affected will be the fishes in your rivers and your oceans, and all our children, probably other animals, asthmatic patients, cardiac patients, they will all have nobody is talking about decreasing oxygenation. Because the population is increasing, the cars are increasing, power plants are increasing, fossil fuels are increasing. So it is high time we oxygenate the earth. Plants alone trap carbon dioxide and oxygen. So it's a small cost, everybody can afford this home garden, and if the government wants, they can also join us. We are willing to collaborate. We want to make India garbage-free first country in the whole world. It's a technology invented by us. The patent has been granted by the PCT. I've also applied for US and UK, other countries, nations, and I'll be launching it in China in another 15 days' time. This is the separator. This is the actual pot. This is the actual pot. It is a very simple, recyclable, and it can last for 5 years. UV stabilized, it can last more than 5 years. You can get back your money in 2 years and have it free forever. We want to give nutrition to the world. Thank you.
Dr. Vijayan, I wish you had carried some sample pot. But the designing, it costs us now, because you are charging it, so it must be something specially designed.
There is a lot of specialties in that.
Oh,
That's
great.
why you got a patent. Otherwise, you won't get a patent for a pot.
That's very good home practice, yes.
Landfills, I'm a bit confused. There is no landfills. Are you referring dump sites as landfills? Many areas were referring landfills in your presentation also. Are they landfills or open dump sites?
Just this is one question only, okay? Yeah, please answer that.
Delhi has 3 landfill sites, so I'm referring to
I would like to support here what
We'll take it at the end of this. Yeah.
There is a, this term landfill is being used with a great deal of indiscriminate. This landfill is a very respectable technological infrastructure. What you are calling landfill is basically an irresponsible open dumping. So kindly don't display your, whatever deficit by calling a dump a landfill.
No, there is a lot of connotation changes taking place over last 20 years. We'll come to that discussion later on, yes. Yes. Now there are a lot of, there are geographical phenomena also very important in landfills. It's not only the present scientific terminology, okay? We'll discuss that.